little bit more.
Mama?
Huh?
Come here.
Oh, Daddy's got a Cherokee purple. Is this his Cherokee purple? Which one is this one? I don't know where his little tags went. I'm pretty sure this is his Cherokee purple.
Let me look.
Okay, you look on that one. This one is the only one of his tomato plants that's not doing too good. What is this one? Let's see. This is the Big Beef Plus.
Oh, no tomatoes in this one.
None on that one yet. And the grow bags, we've got hot banana. These are doing pretty good, I think. All of the tomato plants in the grow bags are doing really good. This one needs a cage though, I can see. It has grown very quickly. This is the grape tomato, and there are already several grape tomatoes on it. This is the Jet Star, the one that I was worried about, but it's doing a lot better now. This is my Cherokee purple. It's almost ready for a cage.
Come here. Look at these.
Yeah, those are grape tomatoes.
What is that?
That's just, you don't gotta take that one off. It's not a sucker, but this is. You can take that off.
This, so they grow between right there.
Mm-hmm.
That
Here's one too, right here.
This one?
Yep.
Bye-bye. See you later.
This one needs a cage too. We gotta go get some.
No, we gotta get some more cages.
Mm-hmm. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9,
10.
10. Let's find 10. Where are you at, number 10? Oh no, I hope we're not missing 10.
What did I know? Wait just a minute.
There it is, 10. Very good. I forgot we kept the extras in this little thing. The next Sunday, what comes after 10? 7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
11. Let's find, here's 11 right here. We got 17. Are we missing 16?
I think so.
We have two 26s because y'all remember we couldn't find the 26 when Titus dropped this in the store. But when we went back to that antique store, the man remembered us and asked us if we were the ones who bought this calendar, and he had found the 26. So now we have two 26s. We're gonna have to turn this into a 16. Sissy's getting us a marker for the 16. I don't know what happened to it. Oh no, there it is. I bet that's 16. We found it, Sissy. Okay, 16 goes right there. Now 17.
What comes after 17? 18?
That's right. On the 26th, right there, it's Memorial Day, so we're gonna put the American flag right there.
We don't have enough to fill up these ones.
That's okay, that's all we need. See, that's the whole month right there. Popsicle time. Manly's going with cherry lime. Sissy's got coconut. Do I want mango, cherry lime, or coconut? I'm gonna go with mango. We're back inside. It's time to cook. We're making hamburger steaks, squash casserole, and baked potato wedges. I was gonna do the whole potato, but I didn't start these in time, so wedges it is. Get these in the oven. I'm just spraying them with some olive oil. I'm gonna put some of the Montreal steak seasoning on them. We'll get these in the oven, and then I'll get the squash and onions cooking. And when we put it in the oven, the squash casserole in the oven, then we'll cook the hamburger steaks. We did end up getting some baby chicks. Titus found some, I can't remember what day it was. What day did Daddy come home with those chicks? What is today? Today's Tuesday. I think it was Friday, but it might have been Saturday. Anyway, he got some chicks from Tractor Supply. They finally got some more back in.
It was the day when we made the spaghetti.
Oh yeah, so that was Friday. Okay. Okay, potato wedges going in. I've got this half of an onion that I didn't use yesterday, so we'll use that for the squash casserole. Let me wash the squash. Okay, onions and squash going in. So we just cook the squash and onions until they're tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. We got it on just a little over medium. Putting a little salt and pepper.
Well, you painted the cheese on mine.
Okay, the squash and onions is done. I'm just going to mix this in here tonight real quick. We're going to put about a cup of shredded sharp cheddar, and we're going to put half a cup of sour cream.
So is this a new squash casserole, Mama?
No, it's just the same. Only I'm not putting the crackers or any plain cornflakes on top. It's just going to be cheese on top.